Subscribe to Soil Cup.
I always had a dream of making it big, coming to a big city, metro, and fulfilling all my dreams. And that has happened by the grace of God. Of course, there were a lot of struggle, but I could make it whatever I wanted. Hi friends, my name is Anirban Ghosh and I am from Mumbai. It's a great pleasure to connect with all of you through Soil Cup and talk a little bit about myself and the kind of work we do. I sincerely thank Soil Cup for the same. So we started Brand First about 4 years back and I am the co-founder of the company. We specializes into creating high impact digital consumer engagement campaigns, particularly for brands, for them to acquire new consumers and maintain loyalty across brands. We have clients, we have brands like almost all the major FMCG brands in the country like Britannia, Nestle, Cadbury and Pernod Ricard, just to give you an example. Now I have been working in this media and advertising industry for almost 25 years by now. So I have started my career way back in 93 with ABP Group, which is a renowned print media house in the Eastern India. Post that I have worked with companies like India Today, I have worked with the media research companies like ORG Marg and then advertising agencies like Madison and Percept Advertising. So after working for so long in advertising industry, I thought I could foresee that digital advertising is going to be the mainstream advertising in few years of time. So we decided that why don't we specialize something in terms of digital advertising which can help brands, which can help consumers, which can help clients to create more value to the consumers. And hence we started Brand First, which is purely a consumer engagement company driven by the digital platforms. Absolutely. So we started in 2016 with only one client. I had heard, that the big clients like Hindustan Lever, Britannia, Nestle, Cadbury, they don't entertain small agencies. They don't work with small agencies. You need to show your capabilities. You need to show the manpower you have. You need to show how many offices you have in the country. So, we were pretty small at that point in time. I had only one small office in Mumbai with 5 people. Out of that, one was me and the other one is my partner who happens to be my wife Alka. But we never lost hope. We always thought that our conviction, with our honesty, we should go and pitch to all big clients, big brands and see what happens. We did that with all our past experiences and the kind of work we can do. We showcase it to them, we showcase it to all the brands. And results started showing up. Yes, it was struggling phase. We got a lot of rejections as usual. But over the years, over the period of time, our conviction, our honesty brought results and we started getting clients, we started getting big clients to work for them. Currently, I can proudly say that we have got almost 25 big brands working with us, including almost all the FMCG brands in the country. So as far as the milestones are concerned, it will be very unfair if I talk about only one milestone. I must talk about the day when we spoke to one of our clients saying that we plan to start on our own. That point in time, we did not have any client. Immediately that client told us, I'll be your first client. Please go ahead and start. I'll be your first client. So I think that is one of the milestone and big encouragement for us to know that yes, probably we can do this. So that is the first milestone for our company. And the second milestone is, after getting so many rejections from big brands, when we succeeded to get Britannia on board. So that is another milestone. I'm very thankful to everybody, all the stakeholders, even the brand team of Britannia who believed in us that yes, we can do the kind of campaigns they would like us to do. And so this is the basic 2 milestone I can think of right now for our company. So there is no way I could do any other business because I was in advertising for last so many years. So there is no way I could get into any other business. So obviously, if I had not started this business, I would have been still working with one of the advertising agencies and adding value to clients and brands and to the company. The best thing I like about our business is the freedom I get to think strategically to find a solution for the brand, for a client. That is one of the big advantage of our business. Secondly, being a not so big agency still, we do not have too many protocols within the organization. That gives not only me, my colleagues, a free hand to think, free hand to suggest brand solutions for any marketing team. So that is one of the biggest advantages we have in our business. Yes, like everybody else, I also get stressed at times, but that's a part and parcel of everyone's life. You need to know how to cope up with it. You need to de-stress through various ways. I do de-stressing through music, reading books, cooking, which I love, and a little bit of meditation every day in the morning. So when there is no work at my desk, basically I go through various journals, various business newspapers, magazines, articles, blogs to gain more knowledge, to understand our business a little better way, to understand the different marketing scenarios, the changes due to the coronavirus pandemic scenario, the consumer pattern, the marketing pattern have changed. So currently when I get a free time, I go through those journals, blogs, and try to understand what are the changes that have happened, how we can adapt those changes into our business, how we can suggest different ways to reach out to the consumer, to various brands. So my advice to the fellow entrepreneur should be have conviction, do everything honestly, deliver more than what you promise to your customer, to your clients. That will take you a long way. Your customers, your clients will promote you, and trust me, there is no better marketing channel than word of mouth. So deliver more than what you have promised, and with almost zero defect. That is what a client or a customer wants. In a fiercely competitive market, you need to be almost absolutely perfect in whatever you do. That will take you a long way. If you can't do something, say upfront that this is not what you can do. Client like your honesty, customer like your honesty. But never give them a false promise and falter.